We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the SpyX Night Mission Goggles, a toy designed for junior secret agents and young spy enthusiasts. If you have experience with this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The SpyX Night Mission Goggles are marketed as high-tech, comfortable-to-wear night vision goggles for kids, featuring twin LED light beams that promise visibility up to 25 feet away in the dark. They are intended for children aged 6 and up, with an adjustable head strap and a battery pack designed for hands-free play. The goggles also include a flip-out magnifying scope for daytime snooping, making them versatile for both day and night secret missions. The product dimensions are 12.99 by 8.86 by 2.2 inches, and it weighs just 4.2 ounces, making it lightweight and suitable for young children. The goggles require 3 AAA batteries for operation. One of the most prominent features highlighted by users is the brightness of the LED lights. Many parents and children have praised how the twin beams illuminate dark spaces, transforming ordinary nighttime play into an exciting spy adventure. The lights are described as super bright, making it easy for kids to see in the dark and enhancing the immersive experience of secret missions. The unique effect of the lenses, which alter the appearance of the illuminated area compared to a standard flashlight, adds to the fun and appeal for children. The goggles have received the Tillywig Top Fun Award, indicating industry recognition for their entertainment value. The design is often described as stylish and appealing, with many children reluctant to take them off even after playtime ends. The adjustable head strap and lightweight construction contribute to the overall comfort, allowing kids to wear the goggles for extended periods without discomfort, or the goggles slipping down their faces. Parents have noted that the goggles do not leave marks on the face, and the materials appear to be durable, withstanding rough play, accidental drops, and even being stepped on. The flip-out magnifying scope is another feature that sets these goggles apart from basic LED glasses. It allows for magnified viewing during the day, adding a layer of realism for children who want to engage in roleplay as secret agents or detectives. However, several reviews point out that the magnifying optics can be challenging for younger children to align properly. While the scope does provide magnification, it may not be easy for a 6-year-old to use effectively without assistance. Older children and adults find the feature interesting, but it is generally considered more of a visual enhancement than a practical tool for detailed observation. In terms of performance, the SpyX Night Mission Goggles deliver on their promise of bright illumination and hands-free operation. The battery life is generally regarded as good, with the goggles lasting through multiple play sessions before requiring new batteries. The product is easy to assemble and the instructions are straightforward, making it accessible for both children and parents. Some users have mentioned that the directions may appear more complicated than necessary, but actual assembly and use are simple and intuitive. Durability is a key strength of these goggles. Multiple reviewers have noted that the goggles have survived being thrown, dropped, and stepped on without significant damage. This resilience makes them a reliable choice for active children who may not always handle their toys gently. The materials used in construction are robust enough to withstand typical playroom accidents, and the head strap maintains its elasticity and fit even after repeated use. Despite the many positives, there are a few common criticisms. Some children and parents expected the goggles to offer true night vision capabilities, similar to those found in professional equipment. In reality, the goggles function by illuminating the area with LED lights rather than amplifying ambient light or using infrared technology. This limitation has led to occasional disappointment among children who anticipated a more advanced night vision experience. Additionally, while the goggles are marketed for ages 6 to 15, the design and features are best suited for younger children, particularly those in the 6 to 10 age range. Older children may find the toy less engaging, especially if they are seeking more sophisticated spy gear. Another area of critique is the magnifying scope. As previously mentioned, aligning the scope can be difficult for younger users, and the magnification is not as powerful or clear as some might hope. It serves more as a thematic accessory than a functional tool for detailed investigation. Some users have also reported that the goggles broke within the first day of use, suggesting that while the majority find them durable, there may be occasional quality control issues. The price point of the SpyX Night Mission Goggles is generally considered reasonable, especially when compared to more expensive night vision toys that may not offer significantly better performance. Parents appreciate that the goggles provide a fun and imaginative play experience without the need for a substantial investment. The product is often purchased as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, Halloween, and other special occasions, and it consistently receives positive reactions from children upon unboxing. The goggles are part of a larger line of SpyX toys with a total of 28 products available for junior spies and detectives. Collecting multiple items from the series can enhance the play experience, allowing children to create more elaborate scenarios and missions. The goggles are ranked #17 in Toy Electronics Spy Gear and have maintained a solid customer rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from over 1,200 reviews, indicating broad satisfaction among buyers. In summary, the SpyX Night Mission Goggles excel as an imaginative and entertaining toy for young children interested in spy adventures and roleplay. The bright LED lights, comfortable and durable design, and thematic features like the flip-out scope make them a standout choice in the category of electronic spy gear for kids. While they do not offer true night vision or advanced magnification, they succeed in delivering hours of creative play and excitement. The goggles are best suited for children aged 6 to 10, and they make a memorable gift for any aspiring junior agent. If you have purchased or used the SpyX Night Mission Goggles, please share your experience in the comments to help others decide if this is the right toy for their needs. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide detailed, expert-driven reviews.